Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to the third and final part of my Scratch Cookie Clicker tutorial series. And before we get started, I would like to give a quick shout out to Vidhan the Viper. And we're also giving a shout out to his friend Deerank on Scratch because he unfortunately broke his leg, so we are all wishing him a speedy recovery. And if you would like to get a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is comment cookies down below. And getting right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your backdrop sprite and create a new variable. And we're going to call this variable world record. And then make sure you select cloud variable stored on server. And I would like to mention that this feature is unfortunately only available to Scratchers, so if you're a new Scratcher, just keep sharing projects, commenting on other people's work, and creating on Scratch, and you will be a Scratcher in no time. And then after that, you're just going to drag the world record thing to the bottom of the buttons there in that little slot. Then go to the backdrop code and say when green flag clicked. And then you're going to do a forever loop. And then inside that forever loop, do an if statement. And then say if your cookies are greater than the world record, then we're going to set the world record to the number of cookies you have constantly. And this is a good time to teach you this is the script for any high score that you want to add to your game. And then after this, we're going to do a quick little debugging thing. Just wait 0.1 seconds beneath the if statement. Then now if you can see, we will click our cookies, and then you can see that the world record's going up. And then next up, go to your cookie sprite, and then right there after the mouse down sprite there, or the code there, you're going to drag this if else statement here, put that right there, and then you are going to say if the amount of cookies you have is greater than the world record, then instead of creating a clone of CookieFX once, you're going to create a clone 5 times. This will give the background a special effect if you are currently beating the world record. Then else you're just going to create it once. And then we're just going to try to beat the world record real quick. Stop it, and there, boom. As you can see, after we beat the world record of 46, we will have a lot more cookies spawning in the background. And then we're just going to go to our cookies effect sprite and say when I start as a clone, forever loop, and then if once again we're going to use the same thing, if the cookies are greater than the world record, then we're going to change the color effect by 10. And now this is going to give it a very cool effect if we break the world record here. So I have a little bit of clicking to do, so we're just going to run through that really quick. And all the way up to 339, which is our world record right now. I've done a lot of clicking recently. And then boom, as you can see, it turns our cookies in the background a nice rainbow color, and they spawn way more frequently. And this gives it a very nice touch. And that way, people from all around the world can set the world record on your cookie game. And anyways guys, that's it for this Cookie Clicker series. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you made it through all the videos, thank you so much for all your support, and subscribe for more. Next post is coming very soon. Love you guys. Bye.